ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे। आई नो आप अभी तक गेस कर चुके होंगे ये गाना किसने गाया है। एंड यस, Papan is here with us at Tulaz Institute today. So let's have some quick chit chat. Keneko ase?
Wow. You have been holding on to the line for a while.
Yes.
Bhale asu.
Okay. So first of all, it's great pleasure to have you here. We were very excited for you. So it's your first time at Tulaz Dehradun. And is there anything that specially stood out, maybe the campus or the weather or the location?
Campus, actually. I mean, I've been to Dehradun many a times. But yes, the campus was really interesting. When I walked in, I was like, oh, it looks like a resort. So I told them, actually.
Okay, great. Like performing for a young crowd like this, is it something that you have to prepare separately? Maybe at the stage you have to put in extra energy or experiment more live?
Just more push-ups before the show. But no, every artist looks forward to a college show because, you're young. That is the time of the life which you never get back, which we won't ever get back. And it's the time when the mind is fully open and nothing is molded yet. It is, looking forward to anything that comes your way. It's a great time to be. So we love performing for colleges.
Okay, great. And what is that one song that is closest to your heart that you've sung?
It's very difficult to say which is the one song because, it's like which baby of yours you like kind of thing, But it's just different moods, different times, which sometimes you feel like this song, sometimes you feel like that song.
Okay. So at present, what is that one song?
My song or any other song.
Your song or any other song?
Kaun mera mera tu kya lage.
Okay, that's very beautiful song. We were listening to that in the afternoon itself.
You were?
Yes. And so you have done countless shows and we have seen it. So is there any special thing that you do before performing on a stage, like a ritual or something that you do?
Yeah, the ritual, usually my band members, everyone know, like 2 hours before the show onwards or maybe 1.5 hours, I don't talk to anyone. I go straight to the show because that kind of focuses, like, you focus your energies to the stage. So you want to peak on the stage. So that's what, like, everyone knows that Mohan Vrat bolte hai na. So I'm in my hotel room, nobody comes to my room. Just messages, sir, let's go down. Okay, let's go down. Just like that.
Okay. Just one thing. Last question, that if you had to give shout out to the students at Tulaz in your way, would you sing something or say something to them?
I would say just all you out there in Tulaz, today, tonight, and all the time, the kids, the young ones. I mean, I won't say kids. You are no more kids. I'm sure you don't like to be called kids anymore. You're finally in a college. But yes, I mean, follow your dreams. Find out what makes you really happy. That you have to find out yourself. Nobody can help you on that. You can go wrong sometimes deciding a career or a subject you have taken, but soon you'll get to know what is your call. Then just follow your call. I think that's the only way you'll be happy and you'll do best. I would like to congratulate Tulaz Dehradun for prestigious NAC A+ and NBA accreditations. All the best and well done.
Okay, thank you so much. It was lovely having you here. It is lovely having you here, and we are looking forward to your performance tonight. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Tulaz Institute, ranked 86th private college of India.